Hey, how's it going everybody? Back here at Dash Trucks with another walk around video. If you like what you're watching and you want to stay up to date with our inventory, make sure you like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell. That way you're notified every single time we post a new video. Without further ado, here's today's 2016 GMC Savana. This vehicle's stock number is 13495 and it has a GVWR of 9,900 pounds. As we're walking around, I will go ahead and give you guys a close-up of our tires so you guys have a good view of what those look like. Of course, this is our 10-foot box truck, and this is a flex fuel vehicle. These are going to be our front driver's seat tires. Right down here is where you will find your gasoline tank, along with our rear tire down here as well. Down here, along with our tires, we do like to paint the chassis. We paint the chassis to prevent any kinds of rust from forming underneath our vehicles, and we do that by using a special paint. Now I'll go ahead and walk around towards the back and show you guys our backside. This is going to be our head-on view of the vehicle itself here in the cargo area. We do have our cargo grab handles on the sides, and then we also have our square toe hitch down here. Over here we do have our opening width of 5'9" and our opening height of 5'6", and I'll go ahead and open it up and give you guys the measurements inside of the actual box. And now with our box open, in here we do have a length of 9'8", a height of 6'2", with a width from side to side of 6'8". And as you can tell, we do have our sliding rear door with tons of space in here for any types of tools or equipment that you guys might need to carry. And continuing our walk around, I will go ahead and show you guys the remaining tires on the passenger side. These are going to be our rear tires. And then I'll also go ahead and give you guys a quick view inside of the actual cab so you guys see how it looks like in there. Before the trucks head out, we do like to make sure that they are fully detailed. So we want to make sure that we leave them in the best quality for you guys. And I'll go ahead and hop in the driver's seat and show you guys a close-up at our steering wheel. Looking at our steering wheel, right behind it on our dash, we do have 168,985 miles. On the steering wheel itself, we do have our cruise control right down here. And then this is what our locks and our windows would look like, with our access to our headlights right over here. Right underneath the steering wheel itself, we are going to have our trailer brake. And that comes in handy whenever you're towing, along with our tow haul button. And of course, this is going to be our AC and our heater. This works amazing, and it honestly keeps you very nice and warm or very cool depending on how the weather is here in Colorado. Down below that is going to be our radio. This radio works well with AM, FM, and aux cord. And then right below that is where we would have our power outlets. We do have these regular ones, and then we have our 120 voltage with our cup holders right below that, and some extra storage down here as well. Now, before showing you guys our engine, I will go ahead and just give you guys a quick rundown of what it looks like in here. It's our 2-seat open middle section, and as you can tell, we do fully detail all of our vehicles before heading out with you guys. And now a close-up at our engine. Dash Trucks likes to ensure that all of our vehicles are fully serviced and reconditioned. So please take a quick look at our Vortec 6-liter V8 engine. This engine holds 285 horsepower and it runs off of a 6-speed automatic transmission. And that will wrap it up for today's 2016 GMC Savana 10-foot box truck. If you guys have any other questions on this vehicle, make sure you call us or text us. Our sales team are amazing and they usually know how to answer after hours when needed. Feel free to check out the link to the website that is going to have all the information on every single vehicle that we sell, along with the warranty that we provide with them. That's just a way of providing quality for our customers. Don't forget to check out that small information snippet I will be leaving down below. I will make sure to write down information that I spoke about in the video just for you guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys around in the next one. Bye-bye.